नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आप सब कैसे हैं? A very good morning from Delhi, India. Today we are going to learn writing two consonants that are y and v. Y and v. Today is the writing lesson number 4. At the end of the previous video, I gave you a homework. I pronounced 4 words and I told you to write them. Okay, a few viewers have commented the correct answer, so to the rest of the people I'll tell you the answers. The first word was namak. Namak. ठीक है? Now namak would be written na ma ka. This makes it namak. ठीक है? Transliteration would be namak. Remember that I have told you the a sound that comes in the last of the word is not pronounced. ठीक है? So namak. Namak means salt. ठीक है? The next word was कान. कान. Ka a. This makes it ka. Now it is kaan. Kaan means ear. The third word was naak. Naak. Na a. This makes it na and naak. Naak means nose. ठीक है? Kaan is ear, kaan, and naak is nose. ठीक है? And the fourth and the last word was आसमान. आसमान. आ s m. Now it is ma. So a s ma n. आसमान. आसमान, which means sky. Now let's learn today's alphabets. ठीक है? So first I'll write y for you. Y, which is y. Now adding y with other vowels, adding other matras to y, it will be ya, ye, and yeah. So we have learned 4 matras till now. The one is a, and a. ठीक है? So it makes y, ya, ye, ye. ठीक है? The next one is v. v. ठीक है? v. This becomes va. This becomes ve and ve. ठीक है? Ve. Now I'm going to tell you some words that we can make with y and v. The words that we have already learned and using which we have already made some sentences. Now the simplest words that we can make with ya and va are yah and vah. In common pronunciation, we pronounce them ye and वो. ठीक है. यह और ये means this, or he, she, it, and वो means that, or he, she, it. ठीक है. यह वह और ये वो. This is the common pronunciation. Well, this is, you can say, the textbook pronunciation. Okay. And two more words are ye and ve. ठीक है. Ye, but we pronounce it the same as wo. In common language, we don't pronounce yeh and ye differently, and we don't pronounce veh and ve differently. We pronounce ye and wo. ठीक है. Ye means those. Sorry, these or they, and ve would mean those or they. ठीक है. This, that, these, those. ये, वो, ये, वो. ठीक है. Spelling. Please remember that the spelling yah and veh are for singulars and ye and ve is for plurals. Okay. So the next word that we are going to learn is kya. So we had already learned the word kya in tutorial 11. Now we'll learn how to write it. So kya means what, as we already know. To write it, when we pronounce it, you can realize that there is no vowel between ka and ya. Kya. ठीक है. So when there is no vowel between two consonants, we have to write the previous consonant as half. So when we pronounce kya, it actually has three alphabets: the consonant ka, the consonant ya, and the vowel a. Ka, ya, a. So when written combined, I will have to write half ka. This would be half ka. This is a full ka. This would be half ka. ठीक है. Ya and then ya. Kya. This makes it kya. ठीक है. We don't have any vowel between ka and ya. That's why we had to write half ka. ठीक है. Now let's make simple sentences. Now since we have already learned how to write hai in the previous lesson, we can write simple phrases now. The first one says ye kya hai. Ye kya hai? Ye kya hai? What is this? Ye एक आम है. This is a mango. ये आम हैं. You can see the point, the nasalized vowel. ये आम हैं. These are mangoes. So हैं signifies plural, are. ये, these, and the plural of aam is aam, because I hope that you have already watched the tutorial number 11, 14, 15, 16 and obviously the previous one, 21. Only then you are going to understand everything of this clearly. ठीक है? If you're watching this video directly, I suggest you to start watching from the tutorial number 10. ठीक है? Now here we have 3 more sentences where the first one says वह क्या है, or you can say वो क्या है. वो क्या है? What is that? ठीक है? वो एक अनार है. That is a pomegranate. That is a pomegranate. The next one says वे अनार हैं. Again, हैं. हैं for plural. हैं means are. So वे अनार हैं. Those are pomegranates. Easy. आसान है. Again, I'm asking you. आसान है. इज इट इजी? हाँ या नहीं? ठीक है. So here we finish our short lesson in which we learned यह, वह, ये, वे and क्या and writing short sentences. ठीक है. Now I'm going to tell you the answers of the homework of tutorial 19. Sorry for the delay. Here we have the answers of tutorial number 19. So I've written the words that we have already learned to write. Now we have to pay attention here. I am a student. मैं एक student हूँ. Simple. With मैं we have written हूँ. Okay. We are students. हम students हैं. हैं with nasalized vowel. हैं comes because हम is plural. So हैं with plural. They are students. वो students हैं. The word that we learned today, they, that is for plural. They are students. So again we have used हैं because of plurals. Okay. He or she is a student. So ये और वो is a student. ये और वो एक student है. यह वह. ठीक है. Now here we have used है because it's singular. ठीक है. He or she is a teacher. ये वो एक teacher हैं. Well, here I have written हैं because we have learned that in formal cases we follow the rule of plurals, and when I am talking about a teacher it has to be formal. But if there is your friend who is a teacher, then you can use है also. Okay, but if you are talking about your teacher, you should not use the singular one, you should use the plural one. Because when we talk in the plural form, it shows more respect. ठीक है. तो you are a student mid formal. तुम एक student हो. And you are a teacher formal. आप एक teacher हैं. We see that we have used हैं in plural cases and in formal cases. ठीक है. तो हैं in formal cases and plural cases. Now the next set of sentences, which is I am from Palestine. मैं फिलिस्तीन से हूँ. ठीक है. से, you can write से. मैं फिलिस्तीन से हूँ. with मैं हूँ. We are from Palestine. हम फिलिस्तीन से हैं. ठीक है. They are from Palestine. वो फिलिस्तीन से हैं. He or she is from Palestine. यह और वह, ये और वो फिलिस्तीन से है. Now the 3 forms of you: informal, mid formal and formal. So तू फिलिस्तीन से है, तुम फिलिस्तीन से हो, and आप फिलिस्तीन से हैं. Aap is formal, so we use plural form, and tu is the most informal, so we use the third person singular form. ठीक है? With this, we finish today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will not learn writing. The next lesson would be a concept to clarify the plurals of mera, meri. Here we conclude the lesson. We'll meet soon in the next lesson. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते. ध्यान रखिए, फिर मिलेंगे.